Hey guys, it's me Kiana here. I just wanted to get on here real quick and make a quick video and tell you guys why I personally joined the company myEcon. So you guys know about this work from home opportunity that I have been advertising every day since I joined. I joined last Sunday on August 12th, 2018, and I've gotten a lot of leads, but I don't really have people who closed the deal yet because a lot of people are skeptical, and that's okay because before I joined, I was skeptical about it as well. Sorry, I fumbled over that word, but that's why I did my own research. You know, a lot of people, when they're looking to join a company, they be like, what's it about? What's it about? And so I sent you my link, and then you messaged me back right away. That's how I know you didn't do the research or even take a look at the video I sent. But anyway, just a little bit about myEcon. It's a personal financial success company, and it's debt free. It's been around for about 13, 14 years. So, and another thing that drew me to this company is that it also helps you restore your credit. And we all want great credit because we all want to get things in life. And I just want to share with you guys some things that my team is doing. So as you guys can see right here on my screen, once you join, for those of you guys that have hit me up, I told you that you guys get to join a Facebook group. So here it is right here. It's called myEcon Success Group. You will get added as once you join the team. So this is very real, guys. And look, people are joining every minute of the day. Like one of the leaders, Candace Hawkins. You guys saw me congratulate her on uh, ranking up to EVP Infinity. You know, she is on here all the time. And look, guys, more people are joining every day, every minute. This guy right here is new, and he already got a sign up. You know, I just wanted to show you guys that this is real, and I shared a post last night about, you know, us having a live webinar session. Guys, if this was a scam, we wouldn't be having live webinars, right? People don't take the time to show their face if it's a scam. These people show their face. This company is real. I'm sorry, guys. My daughter is being rude, banging on the dog cage. But anyway, so I also wanted to show you guys, you know, people's success start small and grow. Like, here's a check right here. See, she started out small, $18.50, $58, and $134. Like, it just goes up. And honestly, guys, being an entrepreneur, success doesn't come overnight. You guys know you have to work hard, be dedicated. That's why I'm looking for people who are dedicated and action takers. That's what I say all the time in my statuses. And I also want to get on here and show you guys that it is me writing you. I know some people ask, like, you know, is this you, is this you? Yes, it's me. So I'm showing my face, guys. So if you are an action taker, if you just want to earn extra income, this could be for anybody. College students, people who are already working, people who just need something to do. You guys show me 3 steps that you're serious. Like this video, comment that I'm in or I'm interested, and share this video. So like, comment, and share. And then once you do those 3 steps, once you do the stop, Skylar. Once you do those 3 steps, send me a message. That lets me know that you're really serious about taking on this journey with me. We are one team, and we are building as a team together. There's no I in team, all right? So we are doing this together. We are helping each other. We are motivating each other daily. And I want to show you one more thing before I get off. We even have a group chat right here, as you guys can see down here below. It's not. But anyway, you guys see it right here. Hopefully it's not coming up for some reason. I think my computer is frozen. But anyway, yeah, so like, we have real material, guys. And I also did this because I want to be financially free, or just earn extra income for my baby girl that y'all see right here. This is who I do it for. I would love to be at home, You know, I would love to take trips with her. So guys, let's do this together. Like, comment, share, and send me a message, guys. All right, let's do this. Let's build together. All right, bye.
Bye.